So friends, now I will tell you how to import Marvel Rivals animation into Unreal Engine. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. And by the way, if you have not watched the previous video in which I have told you how to set up Rivals porting and how to install plugin, you can watch my previous video. So for now, I am launching my Unreal Engine project that I made in previous video. So you can see Marvel tutorial. This is my project. So I will just open it and launch it with the help of this U project file. Okay, so just double click on it and wait for Unreal Engine to open the project. So friends, as you can see that our Unreal Engine has been launched, and right now the level that is loaded is really huge. So we need to create a small level which is ideal for previewing animation. So we'll just click on this file and then click on new level, and then we will create a basic level which is very small level. It's not this much huge. Okay, so just click on this basic and then create a new level. Okay, so right now we need to click on this file and then save current level. So we don't need to create new level again and again every time. We can just load this level when we start Unreal Engine. So we will just name it as level. Okay, level, and then save this level. Okay, so whenever we open Unreal Engine, we can just click or double click on this level test and this level will be loaded. Now let's launch the Rivals porting application so that we can export the animation. Okay, so friends, as you can see that our Rivals porting has already been launched, and due to the new Marvel Rivals update, the Rivals porting is broken again. You can see if I press on characters, the skins are not loading, and which is very bad, but the dev has said he might give an update in Rivals porting and it might fix the problem. But for now we will use a workaround to export character skins. We will use this cheat sheet in which all the character code names are written. Okay, so I really love Gambit Mr. X skin, which is his new skin. So you can see this is the Gambit 1058, it's the code name of Gambit, and 1058302 is the code name of his new skin. Okay, so we will use files tab to export this skin into Unreal Engine first, and then we will import the animation. Okay, so we will just go to this files tab, and here we need to first of all know what is Gambit code name. So 1058 is Gambit's code name. So we need to find this in characters folder. Okay, so we'll go just click on Marvel and then click on content and then click on Marvel again and then click on characters folder, and we need to find 1058 here. Okay, you can see this is 1058 here, and once you click on it, all the Gambit skins are available here. The first one is always the default one, which I don't need, and we actually need Mr. X skin, which is 1058302. So we need to find 1058302. You can see this is 1058302. Just click on it and then we go to meshes folder. Meshes folder contains all his models. So the first one, this lobby, not physics one, the lobby one is his lobby model, and the model just below this SK1058, this is his in-game model, and this SK shell lobby is nothing but just random shell. I don't know what is it, but we basically need these two models. So we will actually export lobby model because we can import emote animation on this lobby model. Okay, just select lobby model, and here we need to change it to from export to Blender to Unreal Engine, and then press export button and wait for some time. Okay, and we need to be patient. You can see the export has started happening in Unreal Engine, and we need to be very patient, otherwise it might cause trouble. So you can see all the maps are started importing, and make sure not to do anything at the time of import, otherwise your Unreal Engine will crash. Okay, so the import is complete. We'll go to the content drawer, we'll go to the Marvel folder, characters 1058. As I have already told you, this is the Gambit skin. Just double click on it and you can see 1058001 is default, so 1058302 might be the skin. Okay, so just double click on it and then click on meshes, and you can see the character has been imported properly, which is very amazing. So we'll just drag and drop him here, and let's preview how amazing it looks. Okay, so you can see the Gambit looks perfectly fine. Let's change the lighting so that it comes on his face, or we can rotate the model. You can see the lighting is coming from on his face, and there are some missing texture also, which I will tell you in next video. But right now I am telling you how to import animation and how to apply those animation on Gambit model. Okay, so first of all we'll go to the Rivals porting application again, and you can see this is the animation folder of this Gambit model, and in this animation folder you won't find any emote. You will actually find his MVP animation. Okay, so I will tell you how to import his MVP animation. So just click on this animation folder and then go to this MVP option, and here you can see this one MVP 10582301 can be imported, and LS means level sequence. This can't be imported into Unreal Engine, and these are not actually animation files. so they can't be imported into Blender also. We can only import this animation file. Okay, so just click on this, and then we will change from export to Unreal Engine to custom folder, because we can't directly export animation into Unreal Engine as you do it in Blender. But there is very easy step. We just export the animation to custom folder. Just click on export option, and then let's create a new folder on our desktop or anywhere. Let's create it in local disk D passes. So let's export it here. And once the animation has been exported, what you need to do is go to the content drawer and then click on the folder just before this character folder, and we will create a new folder named animation, so that we can import all animation in this folder. Once you have renamed it, just open this folder and then click on import, and we have already exported the animation in our custom folder, in passes folder. You can see this is the MVP animation which has been exported. Okay, so this UE anim one is the animation, not the UE model also get exported when you export the animation in custom folder. So make sure you always choose UE anim. UE anim is the animation file and UE model is the model file. Okay, so we will click on UE anim and then press open button. Okay, now you can see it asks us that which character animation is this, because Unreal Engine doesn't know on what character to apply this animation. Okay, so we know our character, we have actually imported only first character, only one character, that is Gambit. So once we click on this once we click on this drop down menu, you can see the Gambit code name 1058105302 is available. So just click on this and then apply. The animation will be retargeted to Gambit, and you can see the animation has been imported here. Okay, so we can drag and drop this file and we can actually play the animation. And let's see, where you can see the animation has been playing. And where did he go? I have no idea. Where did he? Is he going? So it's an MVP animation. So MVP animations are very fast and they look impactful on screen. So you can see he's doing some crazy stuff, and the animation is actually fine, and the animation is really fast in MVP animation, so it looks very bad in this condition. But if you if you import emote animation, it will look fine. I will tell you how to import emote animation also. So just go to the rivals porting, and right now all the emote animation are in default folder. You won't find any emote animation in the skin folder. Okay, this is the default skin folder of Gambit 10580001. And once you click on this, you click on the animation folder. Here you will find a emotes folder. This emotes folder contain all the emotes of Gambit, so we can start importing this also. Okay, so we will just export this first one here, the lobby one, not the empty one or the US set one, the lobby one, because we have imported lobby model, so only lobby animations can be imported on this model. Okay, and the next lobby animation is this, so we'll just click on this and then export it to custom folder also. Okay, now both our animations are exported. Now we will import those animations. Just click on import and sort by date modified, so we can know what we imported. So this one is the animation we imported recently. Just click on it and then press open button. Again we will select Gambit model here and then press apply, and you can see the animation has been imported. Just bring it here, delete this one, and we will preview this animation. Where did Gambit go? You can see the animation looks perfectly fine with his facial expression very fine, and he's doing something with card. We need to import the card also. Okay, so you can do that. The easiest animation that belongs to any character is a Spider-Man. So if you import a Spider-Man, there are no props actually to his body, so the animation looks dope. So now let's import the second animation. Just click on this and then press open button. Again we will target this animation to the Gambit model and then press apply, and then let's bring Gambit here and then play the animation. Where did you go? Oh, sorry, we have, I think, no, it's the different one. Yeah, you can see this is the different animation and it looks pretty amazing. Okay, so let's do something funny. Let's do something crazy. Let's see if we can import Gambit animation on some other character and will it look fine or not. Okay, because I don't know. Let's do some funny stuff. Okay, so you can see Angela has been imported, and this is Angela, and there is some missing texture also in his eyes. So I will tell you his fix in next video maybe. Okay, so right now we will try to import again the Gambit animation on Angela. Right now let's change the model to Angela. You can see 1056, 1058 is the Gambit one. Let's choose 1056 now and then press apply. You can see the animation has been imported. But does it play fine? Let's see. Oh my. Oh, only some facial part has been broken, but rest of the animation is pretty cool, guys. So you can play animation. I don't know it can. I think it happens in Blender also. I have not tried importing any other character in Blender, but you can do it in Unreal Engine. You can import any character animation on any character as you want, but you can see some parts will be broken, and if you have the brain to fix every frame of this animation, you can actually fix her face and do this animation also. So friend, the real fun is Spider-Man animation. Let me demonstrate. I have already showed the trailer video in the starting. So Spider-Man animation is fun. I won't want to make video longer. So this is just how to import animation. It's that easy. You just export animation to a custom folder and then go to the go to this content browser and then import the animations from here directly into Unreal Engine. So it's that easy. So I hope you liked today's tutorial. It was a tutorial on how to import animation in Unreal Engine. In next video, maybe I will tell you how to find this missing texture and how to do texturing in Unreal Engine, because Unreal Engine texturing is complicated, but it's too much fun. Like I will tell you guys, you can create material according to yourself. Okay. So in next video, I will tell you how to texture and do everything in Unreal Engine. And in maybe next video, I will tell you how to do lighting, rendering. All the things will be done, but the videos will come in 4 to 5 days gap because it takes a lot of time to edit and make this video. Okay, till then guys, see you later. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like my channel, subscribe my channel, and also hype my videos so that they can reach more people. And if you can help me by purchasing membership, it would be great, but it's not recommended. It's up to you. If you can help, if you want to help me create more content, it would be fun. Okay, see you later guys. Till then, goodbye, and signing out, your favorite YouTuber, Warlord Tutorials.